Hello, this is Eric from UNC Charlotte, and what I have for you today is how to use CS materials in order to search for new materials for your class. What you will do first is to go into View My Materials and hit Select None to make sure you deselect anything you may have selected in the past. Then you will select some materials you want to find something similar to. Here I will select some of my GPU materials, and you will hit Search and Compare. It will show you this form. Enter some number of matches that you would want. Here I will ask for 10 of them and hit the search button. This will show you a list of materials that are sorted by how similar they are to this particular query. And you can see that the materials here that are the most similar are the other materials from my own class. You can go ahead and see the materials by right-clicking and opening the link in a new tab. You can then look at the material itself and even open the content. You can also use the Similarity Graph button in order to get a graphical depiction of how close the different materials are. Note that this particular visualization is going to show you both the material that you use to perform the search and the materials that were returned. This visualization is going to group graphically the elements based on how close they are to each other. For instance, the materials on CUDA that I used in order to perform the search are all grouped together, while some other materials are more further away. The brightness of the link between the material is going to show you how similar two materials are, which can help you quickly understand which materials may be relevant to you. You can see a material by hovering over the node, and the name of that material is going to be displayed at the top. There are a few ways that you could use that search for. You could search material that is similar to one particular material of yours, or maybe search for material that looks like a module of yours, or search for materials that look like your entire class.